If you've pulled a window off your boat and you need a replacement, the frame itself is your best pattern. Here's how to trace it so we can build your new window to fit exactly. Start by laying the window frame on a flat surface. A workbench or clean table works fine. Flat matters here. Any bow in the frame will show up in your template. Stretch tracing paper over the frame and secure it with masking tape. Smooth the paper down so it sits perfectly flat against the frame. No wrinkles, no bubbles, no slack. With a pencil, trace the outer edge of the frame. That's the edge that sits inside the boat, the interior side. That line is what we build to. Now mark your orientation. Label the top edge, label the aft edge, and note where the window sits on the boat. Port forward, starboard midship, whatever applies. Without those marks, we can't tell one window from its mirror image. Peel the paper off the frame and retrace your pencil line so it's clear and easy to read. Do not cut the template out. Leave the paper whole. When you ship it to us, roll the template in a tube or send it flat. Never fold it. Repeat for every opening, one template per window. Send them to Maritech Industries in Corona, California, and we will take it from there.